Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to find password and security. Now we have to tap on system security and here as you can see we've got the installation sources, so this is the option we're looking for. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. As you can see, in my case, the Chrome and the Antutu benchmark is allowed. And all you have to do in order to allow the particular app to install some content is to simply tap on the switcher. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer and they may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and do it on your own. You're doing it on your own responsibility. So simply tap on allow and as you can see it is immediately turned on. If you want to turn it off, so if you want to remove previously granted permission, nothing easier, just tap on those switchers right here. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.